Apple may be preparing its boldest iPhone in years, and if the latest reports are true, this device could completely change the smartphone market. It is called the iPhone Ultra, and it is expected to be Apple's first foldable phone. This is not just another yearly iPhone update. It could be Apple's most radical design in over a decade. The first thing getting attention is the thickness. When folded, the iPhone Ultra is said to be only 9.5 millimeters thick. That already sounds impressive for a foldable device. But when opened, it may become just 4.5 millimeters thin. It is incredibly slim. To understand how big of a deal that is, most smartphones today are much thicker than 4.5 millimeters. Apple appears to be chasing an ultra-premium design that feels futuristic, elegant, and unlike anything in its current lineup. But thinness alone is not enough. Foldables also need to be durable. That is where Apple's hinge design becomes important. Reports suggest the iPhone Ultra will use a liquid metal hinge. This material is known for strength and precision. The goal is to create a smooth folding experience while reducing one of the biggest problems foldables face today. The crease. Many foldable phones show a visible line in the middle of the screen where the display bends. Apple reportedly wants to minimize that as much as possible. If successful, the iPhone Ultra could offer one of the cleanest foldable displays on the market. Apple is also said to be using 3D printed internal components. That may sound small, but it matters. These parts can be made with very high precision, helping Apple fit everything into the slim body while keeping the phone strong and lightweight. So this device is not only about looks, it is about engineering. Now let's talk about the display. When unfolded, the iPhone Ultra is expected to provide a large screen ideal for multitasking, watching videos, reading, gaming, and productivity. A foldable display gives users a tablet-like experience while still fitting in a pocket. Even more interesting, the inner screen may include an under-display camera. That means the camera would sit hidden beneath the display instead of using a notch or cutout. If it works well, users get more screen space and a cleaner design. On the outside, the phone is expected to include a regular front camera for selfies and video calls. For the rear cameras, reports mention dual 48-megapixel sensors. One would likely be the main camera, while the second would handle ultra-wide shots. There is no telephoto lens mentioned, and that may disappoint some users. But Apple seems willing to sacrifice one camera type in order to keep the phone extremely thin. Performance should still be top tier. The iPhone Ultra is expected to run on Apple's A20 Pro chip paired with 12 GB of RAM. That means strong speeds, smooth multitasking, better gaming, faster app launches, and more power for future AI features. Apple chips already lead the market in many areas, so expectations here will be high. Battery life is another big question with foldables, especially slim ones. Surprisingly, the iPhone Ultra is rumored to include a 5800 mAh battery. That is larger than many premium phones and even some foldables. Combined with Apple's efficient chip and software optimization, battery performance could become one of its biggest strengths. Connectivity may also go beyond standard 5G. Reports say Apple could include advanced satellite communication. This would allow users to stay connected in remote areas where regular mobile networks are unavailable. That could be useful for travel, emergencies, or outdoor adventures. Of course, building a foldable this thin comes with trade-offs. One major change is Face ID. Because internal space is limited, Apple may replace Face ID with Touch ID built into the power button. Some users may miss Face ID, but Touch ID remains fast, simple, and reliable. This shows Apple is making practical decisions to support the foldable design. And that is really what the iPhone Ultra represents. It is not just Apple joining the foldable trend. It is Apple trying to redefine what a premium foldable can be. Thin design, advanced hinge technology, hidden camera hardware, strong battery life, powerful performance, and satellite connectivity all point to a device built for the future. The biggest question now is price. A phone with this much new technology will likely be expensive, but Apple fans have waited years for a foldable iPhone, and many people will want to see if it was worth the wait. If Apple delivers on these reports, the iPhone Ultra may not just be another new iPhone, it could be the start of Apple's next major era.